Today is the day. Today is when we can finally release this website. So I have four very minor issues blocking the release of the website right now. They're really minor. They're not actually blocking issues. I just want to fix them because they're easy to fix, and I have, well, I have some time to fix them today. So I'll just fix them, and then I'm gonna go to Firebase console, and then from the Firebase console I'm just gonna release the website. I'm just gonna swap the old website with the new one. The old one is gonna be dead. It's gonna be legacy now. Cool. So let's get started. The first task, I have four tasks in here. The first task is to, okay, I've called this an issue in the past, but it's not really an issue. So the issue was, well, not really an issue, but you can't, so these are blog posts, right? So when you click to one of them, it goes to a blog now. And the problem was you can't really right click to one of them and then go to the blog post because these are not links. And if they're not links, the browser doesn't treat them as right clickable, or like the browser doesn't give them the context menu of open link in new tab. Like the browser doesn't give that option, even if they're clickable. So I've done some reading, and apparently the best way to fix it is this. So let me go to project card, and in here, as you can see, we have a Spring div, but inside the Spring div, what we could do is wrap all of these elements inside a nav link. Let me quickly do it. So if you wrap all of these elements inside a nav link, then let me import this. Then you would get the right-clickable behavior, right? There. The blog posts still, no, they don't work because I haven't given it an href. That's why. But don't worry about that. That's not our problem right now. Okay, actually, how do we use the nav link? I forgot. Do I have any examples of this from before? I must have, right? Right. I don't only want to search this file. Let's go to navigation bar. Yeah, so use href. All right, cool. We can use href. So you give them a link, and the link that we're going to give them is literally this, and we can clear this now. We don't need it anymore. We don't need the history bit. I know we've spent a long time building this, but honestly, we don't need it anymore at all. So this width router thing, no need anymore. We can remove this. Actually, no, you can't remove that, right? You need the parentheses. I forgot how you declare a component, so let me just quickly check this one. Yeah, you need the parentheses there. But we can delete one of them. We can delete this one and replace this with that. Does that, no. Does that work? Yeah, it does. All right, cool, cool. Okay. Well, turns out we don't need a higher order component anymore. Let me quickly check if it still works. Yep, clicking them goes to the blog. But at the same time, it triggers a browser event, which we don't really want. So we might try replacing them with links instead of nav links. Let's try that really quickly. Yep, and we don't use this anymore. Let's clean it up. Let's change href to 2. So what changes now? Okay, we just get underlined, but that's okay. We can fix that. Okay, when you click them, yep, you get the behavior. All right, cool, very good. I'm wondering if we get the same behavior using nav links. Let's import this really quickly again. Just experimenting in here. Okay, no. There must be something like that, right? Actually, I'm just going to look it up. Nav link. React. Okay, I just did a tutorial on how to use navlink. Oh, they work the same way, but why does this work then? Interesting. Anyway, does Bootstrap come with a class name that specifies you have to do text decoration none. Does Bootstrap not come with that? Apparently not. Interesting. But what I'm wondering right now is why doesn't this work? And navlink is also, like, it's meant to be a link, right? Oh wait, is it from React Router DOM or React? Okay, let's try this one. Maybe that's why. No, it doesn't do what I want. Okay, that was not what I meant to do. Restore all tabs. Okay, whatever. We'll go with the solution that works for us. We'll use the link in here. Let's import this. React Router DOM. Yep, that's what I want. Clean this up. We're going to give it a class name. No decoration. No decoration in here. Let's go to project card SAS and add how did you specify this? Was it like that? Yeah, I think so. So that should make everything black. Come on, refresh. Okay. Is it not? Oh wait, no. I did the wrong thing. This is not meant to be specified in here. Right, let's start the server again. Sorry. It's almost 11 again. All right. Well, that does the job. Everything looks good. What about the mobile version? It shouldn't change really because mobile version doesn't modify the CSS of links. Yeah, looks good, looks fine, looks absolutely great. Let's try one of the blog posts. That should look fine as well because it's a separate component anyway. Yep, that's okay. Right, so what about this? Right, this task is done now, so we can move this there. Right, another item. It's a tech depth item. It says use bootstrap for rounded corners in the blog post. So we have rounded corners here, as you can see, but we don't have rounded corners down there. But I was reading through some bootstrap utility classes, the class documentations, and I found this. And that is this one. So we can copy that, go to blog post.jsx, not JSX, sorry. Oh yeah, actually JSX. So in here, we're going to add this. And from, where's the blog post? There. And we can get rid of this now. And the blog posts should keep the rounded corners. Yep, they are keeping the rounded corners. All right, next task. Remove the blog link from the navbar for now. Okay, right. This is... Well, I have to get rid of this because this doesn't do anything right now. Because I haven't built the blog page, it doesn't work, and it should not really be there. So I want to do this in a separate commit though, so I can always go back and actually I'm gonna do this in a separate branch. So let's pause this task for now and let's focus on the other task, which is mobile footer margins between link and icons is broken. Let's see the issue. Right. As you can see, this margin is too big, this margin is too small. I'm gonna make them equal or make them look good. The desktop version looks okay, but it doesn't look centered to me. So I was doing some reading about this. And apparently what you need to do is, well, it's not there. I probably closed it. Anyway, I'll explain it to you. Let's go to the footer. Where's the footer? There. So in this footer, we have padding top 3 for the link. So you can specify something like this, for example. So padding top I'll explain, one sec. It's going to be 3 and padding Y is going to be 2. Let me see if this does what I want, and then I'll explain again. Yeah, it does what I want. Cool. So let me go through this really quickly. What this does is let me read this out for you first. Padding top, medium, 3. This means when the website has a width bigger than medium, which is like 700 pixels or something, then padding top has to be 3. If the website size is bigger than or equal to medium, then padding bottom will be 0. This ensures that we always stay centered in here. To switch back to, yep, there. Actually, let me expand it just a little bit so the text doesn't wrap around. Yep, that's okay. So this ensures that we keep the element centered, because if we didn't have the padding bottom in there, padding bottom 0 in there, the links automatically will have a padding bottom built into the browser. Well, apparently not. Oh yeah, it does. See, it has a green rectangle at the bottom, but when we add this back, the green rectangle should disappear. Yeah, it disappears, so it becomes more centered now. And the last one, padding Y2, means if these rules don't apply, then apply padding y2. Padding y2 is padding top and padding bottom should be 2. So in here, if we inspect this element again, you're going to see the padding at the top and the padding at the bottom are equal, and they're both set to bootstraps 2. So you can see there's a green rectangle at the top and a green rectangle at the bottom. So we've managed to achieve the behavior that we wanted to have. Right, let me commit these changes. What did we do now? Mobile footer margins. Okay, fixed mobile footer margins. Use bootstrap rounded corners. Use and project cards can be opened in new tab. Git push. Cool. Now what we're going to do is we're going to branch off. We're going to create a new branch. We're going to call this removing blog from Navbar. And we're going to go to navigation bar. And in here we have nav link, which redirects to blog. So we're going to get rid of this. And what else do we need? Wait, what did that use? Content.blog. Actually, I'm going to leave that in there. Actually, no. There's a better way to do this. We can comment this out like this. No, this is not how you comment React stuff, I think. Is it the same as HTML? HTML was something like this, right? Okay. Oh, okay. So that's how you do it. Okay, cool. So IDE was right, I was wrong. IntelliJ is always right, right? So this is how you comment stuff. Right, fix that. Looks all right. I didn't really have to create a new branch for this, did I? Yeah, it's a bad idea to create a branch for that. Actually, not really, because at least we'll be able to see when we did it, how we did it, why we did it. It will be more clear when you take a look back at the branches. Okay. Oh, by the way, let me test if this works before pushing it, before merging it. Let's run it. Yeah, blog is gone. These things still work. Let me click on one of these. Yeah, that works. Yeah, we are good. We are good to release this website now. This is ready for release. I'm gonna as soon as I finish the stream, I'm gonna swap this website with my current one, and people won't be able to tell a difference except these mobiles. But I don't think anyone clicks on these anyway, so that is not going to be a problem. Cool, cool. Okay, okay. Let me merge that branch and do a release, and then I'm going to end the stream. Do an actual release. Okay, deployed. It is time to release, and if there are any issues, there are issues. It's not any worse than the previous website anyway, right? All we did was to improve it. If it breaks, well, we'll fix it tomorrow. All right, time to end the stream, and I am going to release the website now. Bye.